Alright, y'all, I'm out here at Memorial Drive in Decatur. As you can see, we've got a small change here. In fact, we've got a restricting signal right there. Oh, that just upgrades to approach. So I'm guessing there's something coming west. But anyways, we got a small change to this signal here. The dying Safetran mechanical belt. This crossing has sadly since been replaced with a brand new Safetran Type 3, it appears. Kind of surprised seeing us put up another one since they've been primarily using General Signals Type 3s lately, it feels like. But yeah, notice something gonna be coming across in CSX, I believe, because I saw the tractor line that way. Vine Street still has its Safetran mechanical belt, by the way. I'm gonna probably see about checking up on that today. So yeah, here we just thought I'd show us a quick update here. I'll probably see about shooting this guy a little bit if I can. So yeah, just no more mechanical bells here at Memorial Drive. Over and out.